To the ground, man. This is for the first time you watch the channel, yeah? What them for do?
Please subscribe and click on the
Notification button. Yeah, I said that's all. Alright, well, you know what we mean, though. Subscribe, like, and share. You know what I mean? Take what you take and go do it, though. We are bringing her to school now. You know what I mean? Because she have to come and take over the thing and run it. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. Let's go.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jamaican Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you. You got me dreaming about you. Now my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. Let love be free. And I walk through the forest just to get to you. I even walk on a crocodile back. I even climb in the treetop just for you. Take a bullet, run with a grenade. I die for you. This is true love. You have me feeling some sort of way, girl. What you doing to me? Got my heart singing. Let love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let love be free. Love be free. Let 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 love be free. Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jamaican Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me.
Hello. Ali, are you there? Oh, I did a regular spot. Don't I chill spot? Don't I so? Don't I say to come in here? Alright. Yeah. Jelly. Oh, they finally reached. Hey girl, you finally see some hot man. They finally reached.
So yeah, say no.
Yeah, me did that say girl. The amount of place we go, brother, me can't, I know none of them can call in with you.
I know, I see the other day, I was checking over Sanders and the old tough crying woman say, oh, she go call me all long. I know I can't get a phone call.
But man, the amount of place me go, and one, not even one of them can call me. So I pray you not have no local change or nothing.
Yeah, no, me I want little money, but they say me I try put on and see if we can do a thing with it. But me don't know yet.
Me have a local change too, you know, where me, such man they give me before you leave. I wonder if we could have buy some clothes and sell and split the money half an hour.
So, what I if you make little money, we have a fair little money,
Yeah.
we could have make one.
Yeah, we just buy some clothes.
One phone, we have to go in the car, phone and cheap phone.
We didn't even figure out we can order them off a Shein.
All that to me, I think I remember that. I remember that day.
Because if we order it off a Shein, we get more, you know.
And then probably cheaper too.
Yeah, and then we have to pay for
$2,
them.
$3. If you get one for $5 and $500, and then you can sell it for $2 and $3. Yeah, I understand what you say now.
And we make money off it, and we can split it half and half. Nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong.
So we can order it
Better
for
we
them.
sit down and better we do it more than sit down and look because I'm saying I want to hear
Fuck them and they own business. Fuck them and they own. Me can't bother. Can't bother your man, girl.
So better we go run a yard and we come over a yard and we order them man. More than sit up on the website.
Come over me, yard. Your yard is too far right now.
Well, you're lucky. That's why son's so happy.
Girl, don't bash me in here no clean.
Yes, it's true. If I ever see me,
In
you
here no
have to
clean.
up and look walk.
Alright then, so you have to order something on your phone, right?
You can't.
No, she ain't on my phone.
I don't have it, but you can't
I
just
don't
go
know,
up
you
and
put it on the
Google.
Wi-Fi. Put it on the Wi-Fi. You're not on the Wi-Fi already.
Yeah, but me I say, you can't just go up and Google.
Do you pay your
and order
phone?
them. You don't have to really have a Shein. Just go up and, or me can't even make you send. Because I have a man friend up saying when he buy clothes and stuff, you can just take a picture of them, screenshot them and send them.
No, we want to do our own business. We don't
Just
want
to show
nobody
you
else's
something.
business.
I never say I go down and send me just to show you something. So I'm going to the way there.
I'm not sure you have to watch.
Shein. How would they knock?
By minute. Oh, them I work on my house, that's why.
Unfinished business where they need to do another year. I think they can't do that long time.
They know them slow already. The more we keep for them off, the more for them. And pay me off.
Alright, see them here.
Alright.
How does it look nice?
Yeah, order that. Order three of them, not three different size.
No, that one there.
Not three different size.
And they say get 15% off. Yeah, but I'm pregnant to blow, which one? I rock blow to put my head.
One bad, something you're breathing?
Oh,
Stacy.
I like. I'm not who had them,
Can I order
two
something
them
for
blowing
Stacy?
there
Yeah,
too.
man, because she's a breeder, you know, she'll be dying.
All the fun, so check it out.
What they call them pants there again?
Think a boyfriend
Husband
jeans.
pants, yeah, boyfriend
Boyfriend
pants.
jeans.
Boyfriend jeans.
They're nice still. So we add that to them.
Yeah.
But we want different color. We don't want the same color.
Yeah, yeah.
And then just a nice one.
Yo, order the red one, the black one, and the white one. Shit. Get them in a medium, large, and small. Yeah.
Medium, large, and small. But suppose you want one size, so what do you want to buy one? Alright, if your money as much, buy 6 each then.
No problem. But if you know,
we just order it.
or we can just buy some look or something until we sell them, we get more money and buy more stuff.
Yeah.
So do you right? Go on up, mama, and see somewhere. You can't just look on the one dress. So.
I don't know, but remember, what check here?
I don't like that.
I like this.
When people will buy it,
Yes,
Yeah.
because that's what you want to go.
remember the food fashion different from people, you know.
One wedding and something, this is nice.
The tight suit, the girl, angle the tight suit, they buy that. So.
$8 is for it.
Buy
Yeah, me I buy it 3.
and sell it for 4 or 5 or 5 grand. It look nice.
Girl, we nice. Angle too.
Angle it. Call the girl and tell her say. Aliyah. Oh, if people them just call me, isn't me? So I go pick up your something them.
Alright,
So as me reach you back, I call you.
alright.
Alright, sister girl. Freaking bag clear out. I should have called Ali to come and help me, you know. The girl I love the defeat and say rotted phone. Alia, forward na girl. How long me call you? Alright then, bag ya. We make our money off of them, yeah. Alright. Here, girl. Then come. I think you're going for them. Look how long I send any text. Dirty girl did buy the dress the shoe. So I'm going to tell you something alright. What is it? This is what I said. I start food, yeah. I'm going to one of them with the other. I want this, sir. Suppose so, you know, them to belly skin there. You're supposed to, a skirt. It's nice. So girl, why? When I separate, no, you know, we just have to sell them together. Yeah. Sell. I want it. No, some of them are together. What is it? They say, I want a little blue ones, girl. Oh, see, you don't know. No, but I'm not coming. No, but just sit with this here, you know. How much I sell this for? Girl, I may have to sit down and discuss the price. We can't just price it. Yeah, but no, no, depend that we can't just, I don't even know how much I buy that for. I suppose for $2, 200 to like 200 Jamaican $2. Oh, 75 bills. And she not for 5 bills, I said. Yeah. We can must get one short and one skirt. And put it on, if you tell them. And this is a romper. Yeah, this is a kind of 50 girl. Yeah, baby mother? Yes. Yeah, right now. I will call up some people when I know you here, because I know they will buy them. Girl, my people, I know my people, they will come. Yeah. So I want to and the girl we are asking about 2 days ago, what's her name? Tiana, not call Tiana. Yeah, call Tiana. She will come by. I know Tiana will be very skinny. Yes, girl. Girl, you know? She has girl. Oh, so one next night, I'm not first to buy. I'm supposed to share them now. What I want color they have to get them now. And then buy look tight to them. Yeah, everything in the man. Everything in there. Come and think, show me the time to make some things wait till we sell off some and buy back. That's all. Well, they should have got it. They want to buy back for themselves. Yeah, nice. I like the material. Yeah, I clothes me, I sell me, I tell you to come buy something from me. What we are saying? Girl, I clothes me, they sell. Run, come quickly. You know more of you think that's something to do with our friends? I'm one of my best friends. I saw clothes me, I said I'm going to come buy something from me. Look at them on the bed.
Let me see.
One look nice blouse there. Let me see. You want food? Alright. One nice skirt food. Girl, your body with that anger this. Man, I lie.
This adult blouse alone come with
and any type of clothes you know who rock the best. Your best friend. More food. What kind of food you want? Skirt food, short food?
I don't waste the life skirt, you know.
Where's short food? Wake up
It's
to
nice.
this.
I want nice thing to
Wake up to this.
You must have bag, yeah.
This nice.
See you again.
Yeah.
This nice.
And this I want food.
And the blue one I
A
want.
short food, this one. This can't fit me, bro.
Try blue one. The blue one must count with you.
Never
That's
that
it.
one.
Yeah. I want food. This is white one. White food.
So, white food. I not decided. Yeah.
No white food.
Yeah, man.
You know I don't want white food.
Wally, girl, look at it.
You don't want it either.
I don't want that.
I want another bag there.
Come on, see we are close to
I close the accent, man.
Look. See our dress here.
Look at white food here, no?
Look. See it, no? Roll on the man. Oh, see white food there.
Yeah, take them a friend.
No white one there.
That's what I'm
Alright, so that's too big. Now something in the way.
The dress here, look at the dress here.
You like it? You want that too?
Yeah, girl. Your arms down
This will fit you.
Yeah.
Your color.
So best friend,
See if you like it.
Your
best friend. You're so body to one.
I thought you want everything them okay.
Alright, this
You like this? You like it? I have to buy this. I have to go with this.
Oh, that one there.
How much is this?
3.5 me and sell it for.
This can fit me right through. I like this.
4 grand for it. Yeah, can I come with mask?
Look, so you know like that one here?
One in the
Best
mask.
friend.
When you like all of them,
Yeah, come see blouse. Feet there. More on them, more on them. Bad girl. Who see it? Yeah, more on them, more on them, yeah. I like this too. So where mask then? Me see mask, you know? No mask no come with it. No mask no come with that one there.
One never come with it?
No, not that one. Not that one. Not that one there. Alright, so you want this, I want that. Alright. So 2.5. 2.5?
What is 2.5?
No, she just said 3.5 it is. No, you made it at all. Yeah, so 3.5 and 3.5. That's a 7 grand. A 5 grand we carry with me. This is kind of my business just started in one theory though. Yeah, you're a friend and you can't do that. The business just start, man. And that's something like as friend, you know. If you're not, alright, take a close me one of me yard. Come here, your friend and you're doing. Yeah, but hold me. Come. Who will you 2 grand?
3 grand for this and 3 grand for that. This year one.
Who will you 2 grand?
Alright, later here.
Alright,
6
and when you give me 2 grand?
$500.
You can't get this Sunday, I come.
Sunday. One panty.
Alright, later.
What panty then, guys?
How much weight they? How much one way you take?
Just get them to them, I did them one. Here.
Let me see, wait now. This how much? 3.5.
3 grand.
A 3.5.
Me tell her, yeah, 3.5, 3
Well,
and
this
3.
a 3.5.
3.
And 3, that's a 6.5. And this a 3 too.
8.5, me tell her. 9.5.
No man, you mix up it.
3.5.
And 3 a 6.5.
Yeah, and 3.
9.5.
$1,000 left.
No. 9.5, me a $500 left.
195.
Remember say a 3.5 for that.
Oh, one back.
And 3 grand. The girl you're doing me good.
Yeah, but she said she want panty with this and a
5 bills, yeah. I know one of 5 for one panty girl.
I want them. And then me look for.
I want.
Me just love panty.
Oh yeah, cut bad word for girl. Keep panty them. I must choose one.
Panty one. Blue or white. Alright. Nice doing business. Yeah. Nice doing business. You hear? Alright, bye.
Alright, sister girl.
In here.
Later. Girl. If you come and sell out the things them cheap, I cannot find that.
No, I'm not cheap. I'm just sitting there with them. That's what it. I was kind of separate. Look at that. Look at that. That's kind of separate.
You can't sell out the something so cheap, Aliyah.
Fearless! 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 I saw somebody sell fearless. I don't know if fearless. You have nothing for sale?
When they come in, if the price change, up in there, you just have to sell out to get it sold. I want to see your girl.
Fearless!
You look happy. You talk when you want to talk, me talk when you want to talk. I want to see your girl.
Nothing here.
Fearless! Long time. Fearless! Want my Emily, you good? Yeah, we are here for some tours here.
I don't want nothing to buy.
Girl,
Now come to back.
this out of it. You're going to
Oh,
have
this should have guitar. This should have guitar.
no, man.
That's what you want.
I'm here selling on that you.
This should have guitar. Me have to tell you. Oh, wait, this one. Girl, this is your size. What that? The other color. How much is it? 3.5.
I want to give me a sale. I need to come to. The hungry that girl, the hungry.
I get more.
See, you don't want
One,
this?
yes.
Alright,
Yes.
hold on.
Another one.
Yeah, so. No, you don't want that. Girl, I'm here selling. See one, yeah. The white one, yeah.
Too big.
See, yeah.
The white one too big.
Alright. You want that one? Hungry, you're my friend.
much of it? How much is one?
This a 2 grand and this a 3.5, this a 5.5. Oh, so you take something more?
Yeah, more take it.
One panty?
Can I take 2 panty now?
$1,000 for one.
Alright, give me 2.
You can wear the white one with the white suit. Yeah.
What else you want? What else you want? You don't want nothing more? Well, let me see how much.
So you want me $1,500?
15, yeah. Wait,
No, 2.5, yeah. 2.5.
I want blue dress, man. How much is blue dress? It's not nice, love.
Yeah, 2.5.
2.5, so.
You want it?
Alright.
$5 grand.
They want me 5 grand.
Yeah.
So, is it that I call you? Or
And when you going to pay me? When you going to pay me?
by this Friday?
Friday?
Today
what? Wednesday.
No, the car.
Alright.
Friday, go
Pick up yourself, my girl.
Friday. Alright.
We have a couple bags for
Later, yeah.
See a lot. You see it when I say see a lot, they come faster.
Tell them over here. See how...
No, I remember saying something the order this. Remember saying something the order that.
Another one, I'm going to bag up the one here. Bag up the one, I'm going to
You just jump before you order that. See a lot. Hello. See a lot. I'm hearing some serious.
Kiki, you make a salt no me over here to cook the salt down.
Oh, if you know, the final day, I want to say something to you.
So what to me?
Boy, your ex.
X. You know no X. Me have X. Which X?
Your ex.
Which one?
My name?
Which one?
That's so much. Fire me and talk.
Oh,
Yeah. You see me one party when I tell him to talk to me and some girl and me and him a talk. We exchange number, we text and stuff. You see me talk and I say my friend, and I say my friend have to authorize it first. You know?
girl,
So me come to
look
you.
for the face. That's my X.
That must be still why you authorize it.
You know what? People man they all bike.
I regular the routine for yourself.
I'm an ex girl. If I want to talk to you, make you more and talk to you, I'm not going to feel
Yeah,
no.
but remember me say me a friend every day, I know say you need to be and I like me never know.
How long know me and him left? A long
No, but me
time.
still have to come to you and make you know roots raps, you see me?
Oh, yeah, me
So for you
understand
not
that.
feel no way, me say okay then, no problem.
Yeah, that's no problem. Just make sure you spend money, you see me?
Alright.
Just make sure of that.
Alright, this one laying a cookies jar right me so.
Alright.
Yeah. I'm hearing some serious. Anything? Should I say no? Should I say no? I don't think so. Oh, you say it right. Oh. Oh. Anyways, me did say twice skills. Me did say twice, but she never give me no bad answer, like, you know. She come look for me, man. Oh. She come look for me, man, and I talk to her and tell her the ropes and something. I'm not here. I talk about with you, I did tell her about you. I'm not here.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning, what's up?
Oh, go on.
I'm there, man, why pretty?
Just stay to talk to you on the phone more, see in a real life, you know what I mean? Like how the sun rise, you know what I mean? That's how everything about your morning time, everything rise. So I say, I come there, I link in my man, so I did it. So what's up differently?
My day, you know, so I just wake and say me clean up in my place.
Oh. So what's up differently?
My day.
We look for you on the road and still have self on the road?
Yeah, we still a sell man, but it's true. The things kinda get too slow now because some money and mix up. But we are talking about
I
it.
can't get something here. You see, like, if like how me go there now, we go get some customer for you. So and when we work, we go make them buy things nice. So now we sell about that, man. Things go on. Because it's good to see you ambitious. You see the difference. We don't chat to friend, because your friend are your friend. But that's the difference with you and I. I don't know if are you motivated to start the business or you she start? Who motivated you?
You know what I'm saying? I'm a friend. It's all we just come together and say we are going to do something.
Yeah, well, you know, it's kind of awkward if you go out and things and go see me and you together. But she a girl like that, she never really want me.
You know, some did talk to her about it, but she did say she don't have a problem with me at all.
No, man, because she never want me. She never want me. I said she never want me, so she lose me, she doesn't care. So me and you know go there. And we have things, man, you go get things. Because I have things, I never have them time there, so you go get things, you know, for yourself. You know what I mean?
Right.
And for me and you there, everything's second. He's a youth, we're very helpful. When we come in your yard and say anything to do, we help you do it serious. If you buy a TV and you have $5,000 and the TV costs $10,000, I put $1,000 on it. I keep it 4 the other shot, tell us 4 more. You see it? So I made them type of man concerning. When me I left a yard, I don't take the TV back and get the man $1,000. Because I know some man like that, they will give you $2 grand. And when you and them not talk, you want me $2 grand? Mama man style that. Tell them say me say that when I see them, my mama man. You can't give and take back. Something for go over there, yeah, then can't see. You know when you're small and tell about that something there? That go over there, then give and take back.
Just find Philip I can pinch him for the body make it guys.
You don't know about the pinching body back argument, so free country don't do that. They never do that. But anyway, you look good though. So how are you now, sir? You alone there for true?
Yeah, me alone there. So me there clean up.
Alright, well, man, some things are dealing, but we just want to come see your face now, man. Yeah. You know what I mean? So
we are going there now. We are going.
you know, so one contract, I deal it. So I will check it with them and set a price. You know what I mean? And so I run just so you know some people we are my work much I run just so if I go in early, go see where we can go on from early, that means I know where I go on. Then we can secure some money. If I secure the money there, we know say me have time to go and check it. We have a city, we have a cook some food and we go there, you know. Tomorrow and start it official. You know what I mean?
Alright then.
So we go buy up some food or we cook later.
Alright then.
Yeah,
No
I will just come over, I will just cook some food, I will just reason on it. We don't have to do nothing, you know. Me lock it up, me put a zip on it. Just when you're ready, you zip it down. But for now, we're not rushing to that because that was the problem. I always think about one head and I use the right head. But this time, I have to use the right head before me go in bed.
Yeah, I know that.
Alright, here we know. I come cut.
Alright, later.
Yeah, later, yeah?
Just put in the work and link me.
Yeah, man. As money drop, I get the money this evening, man. I get the advance money.
Yeah.
Buy some food, cook and drink some liquor. Because I don't love liquor, you know.
Alright.
I love liquor. I want to drink the liquor, I'm sicker.
Alright. Amazing. Yo, wiper. Right up.
What a cool man.
I'm tell a girl, man. No time gets so cold like that fan wind.
I open that door anyway.
Me there go on easy, you good?
Yeah, me there girl. Me say, I'm used to tell you. Me say, girl, this man me in my bed sleeping around 7 o'clock. Me had to sleep at 9 out the door. When me look, now Miss Matty and the husband over the campus are warring.
Here we are.
All people them machete and knife and pudding pan me say fling girl. Me say girl this man
Put it around the 50 drama.
Me say me laugh. After me don't laugh, me go part them.
You're not easy.
So
You're
me
not easy.
Me say me laugh, you're free. Next thing again, fear daughter over there. Sit down and watch the woman a beat him, man. I watch him mother beat the father. Before he tell him mother say,
I'm not really good in feel sit down and watch it.
But you don't look good, isn't it? Married, you don't look good.
How that one look good and them a Christian too?
Yeah, you don't look good.
That can't look good.
Don't look good.
And then don't see that you want to see a picnic, every picnic sit down and laugh. Me don't feel skin my teeth too.
I don't hang you, but you don't look good.
And when I see pudding pan there so I see my shit all the time, I say, girl,
It's like I kind of drama then I'm going on that so. I'll be a man then get a boy or whatever.
man.
Man.
I'm not
Then
taking
my mother in
for
time,
man.
Man, my mother in time,
Man,
when girl pay her own money, they want
Yes,
own
sir.
man.
You know what time for them, so I gone.
There.
How you are, man, bitch?
You're right.
I'm good and so. Then they really talk up, you know. I know it's her ex, I was saying
Yeah,
our
yeah,
ex,
me know,
but
me know.
yeah. But you are my friend and you're a man, you know, so I understand. And nobody feels me, I go make no man come between me and you.
That's how me work. You know me different.
None at all. You want to go on the road today? But yeah, we're not about to sell today.
No. I'm not going to hide. I'm forgetting some more things. Remember, we had some more things, you know. So I'm not think I'm going to go up and we go sell today, but I forget my place clean up and something. I have to walk. I have to go down in a neighborhood come and buy some things, isn't it? And remember, say we are going to go out.
Mm-hmm. But I know me not understand how some of my money I miss up, so you know.
And that more I know. Because, you know, so I go to Emily. For my money, and she said she give you.
Man said she give me money.
Yeah.
Give me money.
She said she did home, I'm go to her.
Me and Emily
And
a
she
friend.
said, I don't know, she tell me that she give you the
Looking at
money.
me eye, them think me and Emily a friend.
I don't know.
Me Emily for me see money. And take to me see Emily, me a chat fast. Me see Emily and take money for Emily and me know say I know me sell her no.
Why? She be, you remember when she buy 5,000 out of clothes and
Yeah,
the
me
money, she
remember,
tell me
but
say
why?
she
She
give
don't
you
give me no
money.
money. How she fit tell her that?
I don't even know. I don't know.
You know, so me go see the girl there want her.
Me I go to her for my money because if she don't give the money, who else she
I
can get
must
me?
scam, she try to scam you.
I'll go to her back again, man.
I'll pay, she don't want to pay you or something.
Maybe.
Then girl, they don't run with my money, they know how hard we look at Trump change when we take our
Trump change,
last
we look for
money.
savings.
The last money we have and buy things, then
Me
I
not
run
in
for the
it.
money.
Me not in it.
That's why I don't trust.
Tiana no pay me, you know. Most true, she said she is my best friend, but me need my money because I can't go buy back goods I first.
No,
start.
my mama said Tiana having you to pick me and take care.
Yeah,
of
man,
us,
but
so.
listen, no, man. Tell me, man. Keep me updated. Me
Yeah,
and
yeah,
your friend,
that's
man.
true,
You can
that's
at
true.
least talk to me.
Yeah.
You know me and your friend. Me can talk to and I like me
And
bad.
that's why I look for them and say I not take up no man and breed for no man when I go marry my picnic. Because he go breed and baby father and gone home. Me?
Boy, my friend, she have the hard man.
Me.
She can't be to anybody still in a
Exactly, but me say me before me go little with them, me want to know your entire background if you
Yeah, but some man can't show you them background and still run with left there you, brother.
True, that's true.
You see me? So you can know a man background and a good and thing and you have some good set of people them and you want and people them turn up for them and in the
So hello time. Hey,
I don't know.
right now I assume I assume.
But tell her say no make no sense. You go fool him. Because she don't have no money to fool him. You have to have money to fool him. Yeah, so I tell her to just make it go.
Uplifting, start uplifting self and start do all the business. Because look for me, I may start from nothing to something now, you know. Because we don't have no money now, we look at chum change, we look at saving. What do you have to buy food? We buy 2 days, we don't yam. Say, we take money go buy clothes now. That's if you start do, or buy fruits and foods go sell per road. So that thing if you do and stop wasting your little money when you have.
Girl, I don't lie. But guess what now? Let me show you a look up pre. We can encourage them, but we can't force them. So more while we encourage them and they not do it, we can't tell them what to do after. So when they give them a look of encouragement or whatever I want to be, if they not take it from there, so we can't tell them what to do. Because remember, you know, and everybody brave enough like we go up on the road go sell. You see me? And then all of them brave, and everybody brave enough to go up on the road go sell like we. But me I go talk to Tiana. Me I go talk to her. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the if you don't talk to her, man, and if she don't take it, well, that's so.
Because my best friend, you know, I love her.
Yeah.
I love her, my best friend.
Now she
So
will
me
do
talk
anything
to her.
for you right now.
Anything she will do for me, anything. That's why I have a little dividends to make her from go get her. If my man give me 10 grand, I carry 3 grand go get her, my friend.
And what's that cause she have a little pretty and picnic for make it put her
Because when
on
me get some things from a friend, me I tell you, you know, that's why I have a friend nigga. Yeah, I get some things, and I tell the boy, I say I have picnic, and he tell me some picnic things, and I say I go get her.
and we don't have
I mean,
no
no,
picnic. Why I say
That's
that
right.
still. Anyway, me come go walk over here, because I want some breakfast.
Me what a first day.
I go back and want to. I'm going to say I can cook some ground food. That ground food I feel for this morning.
Put it on a cover plate and get some come.
Only you do want some. Me tell about you. Give me first. I'm going to go my yard.
Later, me circle you.
Alright.
Yeah. Girl, I'm here for the passage. Oh, you're good at long time, I don't see you. You know, say over me and me, I walk up. So go call Ali for me and him go deal for me and him deal with some business.
Oh, that's before. As I talk about Ali, I have something to tell you.
Leave. I want one. I want one.
Other day when we have a girls' night out, we are going to my bar. I see Ali did a look for you some way. With some yai. You didn't look for him, but he did a look for him with some yai.
Business, so I don't understand. I don't know what you're talking about.
From when I hear, I say Ali put you off why because your ex-man like your ex-man or something.
My ex-man or your ex-man?
Your ex-man.
I don't understand.
Because you are talking ex-man or something.
Me and Ali have been done talk about that, so I don't understand. Ali have been telling me say I don't have a problem. The boy like me, I tell her, and she says she don't have a problem, so I don't understand. Anyways, thanks for giving me an update there. I'm a friend or a fan of the road side, you know me like see up on the road. You feel me?
Alright.
But me I go for me, I go call her later. Look at that shit. Girl, hurry up and come. Where you reach? Look how long you say you come.
Girl, I'm so come. I don't know later come.
Hurry up, brother.
And who did up here?
I want. Girl, me have school to ask.
Yeah, I'm get a chair.
Because I don't understand this. Because I think me you talk about this already.
What happened?
Oh, me here say, other day when you have the girls out, girls time out, you did a give me yai or whatever. And when me go in the bathroom, you tell the girl them say, because me take your ex-man or whatever. Like me, you been talking about this, so I don't understand, I don't know what I'm going.
Kiki, this you call me for?
Yeah, girl, because them see me on the road, me I walk and the person say, somebody tell him, she say, no, she here, but somebody tell her, say, your
Kiki, listen to me. That night there, when we have girls' night out, I do something going on me eye. And me I rub it out. Oh, me see I look for you weird and me and your friend girl. Look how me your clothes. When me do me give permission for the man.
Yeah, come to your country, saying like me.
Exactly.
You see me? Hey, go around there for dog. Yeah, I come to you, I say to you saying like me. You see me? I'm turn to you, I say to you say, you would have a problem if I talk to him? And you're telling me say no.
That's my ex-man now the back. And look how long me him left before you and him go there.
Come here, say, oh, the hell, Ali have to pre me, and me and Ali have plan to do business. Ali have to run on me yard every day, me there Ali a yard. I don't understand.
Girl, stop listening to people. You see, anybody, who tell us when we go to do them? Who tell us so?
That's for that, that part.
No, but
No,
if
man,
they
listen
call
up.
up my name and I say,
You're my friend, if I say you're not do it, you're not do it. You see me? But this something with them, next 2 days, I pick them up, and when I pick them up, I call you.
no problem.
Yeah, I remember saying I'm email them
Yeah.
money. So when we get them the next 2 days, I call you. You see me?
Yes, sir. By the way, I want to ask you say. I really want to ask you, which part we are going to sell? All over or just one place?
We can do one place as we spot, maybe on Friday daytime or Friday and Saturday we walk and sell. And during the week we do one place.
Oh, that doesn't sound bad. That doesn't sound too bad. Well, go take care of that. So we are dealing with this again.
Hey girl.
I'm hungry, you know, girl. Make people call up my name and run up. I'm going to find out who.
I'm glad.
Get up on phone and sell it for yourself.
Wait, no girl, me I talk to my father. See you lot. Yes, eh?
So I'm on this go see if you want to. I shot.
Are we ready? Are we ready? Video with your phone.
Sir, the pan just buy something now. Your time. See you alone, see you alone. I put the money for me, but they know my name good around, so can't search you back
The white food them that fit you. The ugly.
Look funny,
Why not in a bag? What is?
the bag looks like a syrup, man. Yeah, syrup is funny, man. We have a long black tights there. We have tights that can wear on
One
there.
long black
The uniform, the same.
fit you.
Look, man, you can't go and look, man.
That's my long, right?
Yeah. I want nice red shorts back there.
Well, I'm going to this, you know.
Wait. Natalia, big
Where's the one? I want to.
Say hello. Say hello.
Oh,
Hello, woman.
Oh, this is a blouse?
I want to dress, man. Look at up in here.
What size is it?
Can I pull you along?
Yeah, move up the car. I want to see the car road. Yeah, move hard.
You were going to call you about you get hello, you better talk. What the fuck?
Time of this is
No, man. I want to come down, but it's happening. Yeah. One nice dress.
You that big, you
man. Nice, but it's big. But I want to this thing.
More than one of them in there, no?
Yeah, but other side.
You have other side.
Yeah.
Man, just
Yeah, let's see. It's like a large.
Put
or
my
extra
car.
large.
Just look good. Just look.
Say hello.
No, see how, man.
Can I buy something from you now? It's on hot.
Side, what size is it?
Can I see the size?
It's like a large or extra large.
Look at one of them, man.
You can buy for your husband.
Husband don't really like the bright color.
You know like this here? Nice coat.
Your husband, that's enough. Right now, I want to check.
Pull your phone, look, man. You look customer. See you lot.
Don't really like this. No.
Do you like the one there?
Right now, come in now.
Yeah, man, I like a few things and I can get some more stuff, but you know, I have to go far in the yard.
No problem. Anyway,
I
you
want
know
to
they
go
walk
here.
around there 'cause we can get
Anyway,
Money them here get
some money like.
we can get customer around the same way.
I mean, I go and run things then.
The other just a thing like pink one.
See you lot.
Yeah.
But the other, look at I like that one, yeah. I like that one. Yeah. I like that one there.
Yeah, go and yes, go and all the same thing.
Yeah, one there.
Go down in light, officer. Go down in light. Hello. Nothing for your woman. And them boy, they don't know woman. They don't know woman.
Yeah, I want just like, we have more than them, but a different style and not the same
You
style.
want some man to buy something too much, and them boy, they don't know.
They're not buying it. Just not work. Just come like they don't have woman.
Black house.
I will have them. Only me.
And that shirt, yeah. this coming up on?
No, I just usually do it by.
How much is this now?
4 grand for that.
No, I have other stuff. No, I have other stuff.
Other stuff.
Yeah, like, you know, like how the other.
Yeah, we have more stuff over here, but that's all just a walk to the one.
I want some nice stuff though.
Yeah, so
I love good though. I love good stuff.
Come on.
Wait, man, I don't know. Man, man. What go on to the tights there?
You like that one there?
Yeah. What's your tight?
$1,000.
Alright.
$1,500 for the tight.
Yeah man, in a farm my youth, I write out up on the shop, me I tell you. Yeah man, I remember a whole shop man, the nail and this, they write out this one. Yeah man. Alright my father.
Mr. Reynolds? Mr. Reynolds? I am Officer Salo, and I'm here to serve your summons on this day.
Come on, so I know.
Yes, it's a child. Mr. Reynolds, it's a child maintenance summons. Right here, we have information that you haven't been taking care of your daughter, alleged daughter, since.
So, I'm a baby man, I really good on the station, go carry that down there.
So, is this true? Are these accusations?
No man, they must they are like, no, listen.
Mr. Reynolds, sit here.
No, listen.
Listen.
Listen, baby mother now. You see, every week, on the weekend, everyone on the weekend, them go. And I carry my daughter, and I take her up to eat ice cream. You see, sometimes me give her lunch money, and sometimes baby mother give lunch money. But some of the time, I don't have it. But some of the time, I have it. When I have it, I give her.
Yes.
So she should even carry me down there. And I can't charge me for them something because you know, so once I have it, I will take care right. What she want me to go to thief? I couldn't come lock me up and nobody can mind her. But anything you know have me take care of, man.
Okay, well, it sounds like what you're saying is understandable. However, you're still gonna have to turn up on the following date provided right here.
Just give me an argument.
No. Don't bother with the disrespect now, Mr. Reynolds. As I said, I came to you, please.
Nah, disrespect.
Hello, good day.
Because me and you make me alright.
I can understand the hurt and the frustration today, but what I'm saying is that you would have to come and represent yourself and be proven by the judge as guilty or charged. No, on the date that is followed here. It is
I have to go
the
to
date.
court.
Yes.
I have to go to court March 22.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, alright then. You're served. You can't say you weren't served. Okay. So you just sign right here.
Alright.
You have to sign right here to say that you got it. Just sign the back right here. Good. Alright. Good, Mr. Reynolds. There you go. Now, have yourself a wonderful. I have to keep this piece. And you sign right here. So I have a copy and you have a copy. You sign right here too.
So give me what you pen now?
There you go. Mr. Reynolds. So you go to court and you talk to the judge. You say you have been minding your child. You mind your child. And yes. So represent yourself. Prove yourself not guilty or guilty as charged.
I mind my daughter doing it.
Well, that's good, but I can't take your word. It's your word against her word.
So you can't put it on a station like come and get it and me come and quote it.
No, I cannot do that. And that
no,
I cannot do that. And I can charge you for that. Remember, I'm an officer of the law. You cannot do that.
When come back and pick up.
It's government property.
Me pick up it.
You can be charged. Mr. Reynolds, let me assure you.
I told me I go somewhere now and I can't carry a bag.
Destroy government property, that can be a problem. You can be charged.
Come on, Friday.
And also, Mr. Reynolds,
Come on, me
and
get you
also,
there.
if you don't turn up at court, you can be charged because they're arrested and charged.
Don't let me know. Ready?
Oh, you're cold. You don't have me ready for that right now?
No, we can't go to the road right now, you know. Girl, my belly happened for my sister there.
Oh, so you're not coming around today?
Right now, my pain up bad. See,
I can't lazy up myself more money. I go get some money.
Me left your bag out of me. I come here.
Forget to say the card on your bag. Go find it.
I went for me to feel like going.
So much trouble in the world. Babe. Then I'll wake up with you today.
I go on the road by myself.
So, what's still the same?
Could have gone.
Them people that work, them all get paid next weekend. So as soon as they get paid, me tell them which day to come down, they come sell them some posts. Then say they're going to support you. So you just come and pay there though. Because if you come at them a time and they go trust. So you know, you wait when as they get paid, you come. Them man, so it's site work.
Yeah.
Yeah man, so very good though.
You good?
Well, after I get last night, I don't know more work today though. Mama, you have to take time with me, you know.
I sleep good.
Yeah man, that we knock out, I don't know if I sleep bad. Because we blow down and say, oh. Like so.
Yeah, John, man.
I just knock up, I don't know when. Yeah man, but last night was good though. Oh, but just, the place too quiet.
Never say a scheme side, you know?
Yeah, no, but that's why I work by so much. I think I work by so. I work by come on, you want to come here, man, in time. The tough everything in your mouth and quiet him till him big enough. You can run up and down and eat him when I food. So that's where I work by. So it's, but anyway, like how the thing come true for you got a fire now, right? Go on. We're not going to farm work. Put the fine man over there. Hope you not go over there for farm work and go farm food, you know.
No, sir.
I make no man tell us something about better for you, you know. You better off and you run off over there. You run off over them, you can't see, you know.
I'm not run off, man. I work me a good one.
You do your months them and you come back home. My auntie do that for years and she come back home, she send two people to go to college. You know what I mean?
I do you right, man.
Yeah, she never take care of the next two, the first two, but the two last one, he send them back at it straight through. Right? So I want you see if you can go over there, go walk. When you're over there, if you have one work and the work done 5 o'clock in the evening, you try to get one work from 6 to 8.
I know, man. I know.
Then you get, but don't get no too late, more you rest. Now when you come back, beat out and dry out. You drink your water, you drink natural food as possible, you know what I mean? And you try do look exercise. And do not, when I say exercise, not exercise, not over there like that. If you feel no start away like your body are getting to eat, you will a cold shower. A cold shower. And palm and get yourself back down.
Yeah, man. So we can see.
You can watch a movie and help yourself out. You watch a pink, a purple, a blue movie, help yourself out. Me give you permission for that kind of the phone. You call me on the phone and we talk, and if that make you feel good and that make you feel and make your river come down, you do that. But do not send nobody in the shop when you're supposed to in them because one somebody is the owner for that shop. So shop lock until you come back home.
So
Me no want it that, listen me, I'm very serious. Cause me can't go work. Me read there at work, I lick the hammer and lick off me head, me finger head. Just I think about what you had over there. Please no give me no doubt. Cause me no want I no want suitcase and come over there for you, you know. Because I love me have. Me think so me can go in at the freezing cold, me can swim across even the water come over there come find you. Do not. Me have to jump on one of the plane wing them. Cause they now give me the visa, so me have to go find a way. So me go on the wing of the plane, strap on myself.
what wrong with that, man?
But you know differently. Me see some people, they're on the boat. Engine! Just to escape poverty. Me go on the, not the plane engine. But me know say, me tell myself on the, no part the fire come out. Cause 2 fire and fire, not gonna work. I have to just find the best part of the wing and strap myself on pan it. And said so. And paint myself in the same color of the plane. Me find over there. I'm putting it. Alright, anyway. Never go up on the work.
Yeah,
So they might call me and know there. They're calling me and now. Hello. Yeah. Yeah, me I come and work. Me I come and work today. Me I come and work. I don't know if I work today because we shift the site up and down some of the time, so I don't know if I go up at the next place. Because the building down at the bottom does so. The building at the bottom, the building there kind of complete, so they want to move, we go up at the next part. But me make you know though, me make you know. Give me a little time there, I go jump in the shower and I want to take a fast wash off. Because man can't frowns and come and walk. You know where I go? Yeah man, me make you know where I go on, man. Make you know where I go on. Alright? Alright.
So that sounds like a woman stuff.
Yeah, man I work. You have a woman things come like and sell them to all things outside. You think the woman out there? You think I be a boss?
You think I'm a boss?
No, I'm a boss is a worker.
Co-worker.
But I mean them always work on different wings. Come to hotel type of settings, you know. It's cheap, but it's full of work. A slavery, but we still a work.
Alright.
The biggest place them then cheap, I better go work for somebody next door. But them get well if I work so then slave you.
Sorry, you say you don't got work?
Look like you know like I'm talking. Mama, me must can vent somewhere in the house, you know. If me can vent in my own bed, oh no, my bed still a fair yard, but still, me and you there. So what is yours is mine and what is mine is mine. So, for me and my mother and them people there. But differently, must can vent in your bedroom, man.
You know vent, man?
If me can, yes, I tell you, say.
I can't vent, man. Vent, baby, vent.
The word enough, but the pay a little bit. It's just a tip in the bucket. Tip. Yo, me I tell you, mama, if me I do the work you far in, you reach a long time. You know what? You see after you go the first farm here, farm up, me have to go try if you go out a way, if you get a farm work too. That means when you fly out, you know what you do? Think about that. When you go over there, try find a farm work for I same place where you walk. Me not come watch you. Me come back you up. So we can go and rent a house for ourselves and rent over there because we have to think smart. You know what I mean? Why you want to call me? Me know them boss, you know. Me know them boss. But anyway. Hello?
Kiki.
Girl, I just did all lecture you say I know you can't reach.
Come on, man, ready. Come in. You see me let me get to come now with a seal. So me go the morning, so me pour more until go walk.
Hold on, girl.
Pull up the super on my foot.
Yes, indeed, for my house, me not tidy up. Every time I come over here, my house not tidy up.
Girl, no hard, like if I say come on, come on. Very good. You have to spray up now. Come on, man. You go to the house now. Go.
Girl, that was a good one. Me wait on them to call you now.
Yeah, I like that cherry.
Ready?
I like that cherry when I buy.
Girl, you don't see plastic still up on it.
Let's see.
Already, I buy me. I take time to buy up my things, them, man. Girl, we just there and we gonna call.
Why? I don't know, you know, but me a pray for it before we get the call. Because more long go and go farm up there. And I don't know how, you know, so the man there want to cost me and call me, you know, to the top.
Yeah.
But me I
They
say,
can't go and look where it looks so.
but me I say, walk me a look.
Because when
And I like say, this is me and I pull it down so. Me I say, I walk me a look and I like say, a man me a go look. Then go there.
and where you have your wear.
Yeah, me no have no more. Me now wear out my clothes and me buy for sale.
Me go drink, get some water.
Yeah, man, go and do that. You have a message coming for your phone, girl.
Me come. This person wants some water.
Get some light today, guy. Drink first one.
I'll answer my today.
Look for the message for your phone.
Come on, Kai, water down. Come, drink first.
Water
Get
down.
done for me, I may leave you.
Alright, that good, that good. Don't be man. He ain't not good again.
Yeah, the place text me.
Hmm?
The place text me.
So quick.
Yeah, man.
What is it?
Oh, them say me need to carry in some papers, 2 passport size picture. Bring in some of your documents, 2 passport size picture. Yeah. I get you.
So you get your work?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take to come in for my food.
Yes, I'm happy.
Yeah, I'm happy for you still. But me just go and wait for my text or my call or whatever. But me happy for you, Gally. Just make sure nobody remember me.
Always.
If me not get it, just remember me.
I remember.
Yeah, remember me. Me not lie.
Mm-hmm.
Me can, if me even me not get it, me can still tell you and go and sell the clothes them same.
I can buy some clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
Your fridge good, man.
Cool long. Alright, so may I go?
I go by yard.
May I put on this and come back?
Yeah. I didn't drink water.
Yeah, may I throw it in my hand?
May I go over yard here?
Alright, later.
So how will I get that? Alright. Don't forget what I'm gonna get. Hello. Yeah. They still sell drugs on there, something there? So we can get 1 pound of cocaine then? Yeah, I want it right now. An idea I want it. Yeah. Alright, may I send the money come and you send me up to me? Alright. Oh. Yeah? That's really good. I don't want to make you feel like I make you too heavy. Yeah, and let's go on the road.
Yeah.
Why you left this down, Miss Merle to me? Huh? Yeah, just left it down, Miss Merle to me. She said me nothing, girl, that question I'm supposed to can't trust her, do not look in there.
More do that, more do that.
Yeah, because Miss Merle say no one, nobody's with me, I send it home to you.
I understand. Alright.
So just left it down there to me. You can't stay until I come down.
Yeah, alright.
I want to use my free Wi-Fi.
You go on, later.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, officer. You know, say, I want something to happen on the road this one while.
Something like what?
Me did on the road and me, you know this girl on the road named Kiki?
Not exactly, but I'm sure I can find her. Give me more details.
No man, she sell clothes on the road. We do and go renew Alia.
Oh, yes, man.
Yeah.
Other day, I buy some stuff from them.
Yeah, see them two girls there? You see next one named Kiki. Me no see Alia the day now, but me see Kiki have some drugs in her bag.
Drugs?
Yes, in a while ago bag.
So which part she live?
Me no know what she do. Me
That's
see
the part she sell.
me no know. Me just buy something for her down the road and me see it in her bag.
Smart down the road this year.
One at the tree lane.
Alright, they just fearless now 5 minutes ago.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm running with you right now.
Alright,
Thanks for the information.
Okay.
Hello. Officer.
Come here. I'd like to have a word with you. I'd like to search your bag. I received some information about some things in your bag. Do you have anything that you'd like to tell me about in this bag? Are you sure you have anything illegal in this bag?
I don't have anything in
Sure. I'm supported the other day. I mean, I like the information we received about you at all.
Oh, you know what's in my bag that door?
What is this?
I don't know what that.
What? This is white sock.
I don't mind that. They don't know about that. Oh, you know, if my friend give me that to drop off.
This is cocaine.
I don't know.
This is cocaine.
You take up here. I don't know nothing about that.
Are you sure?
Yes, I
You
don't know
can't
nothing
help
about
if you
that.
lie to me, you know.
I don't know nothing about it. My
So
friend
why
just
reach
give me
for your lips, them young lady?
because my friend come over and say she now come and road with me today. Me say go, me come tell her say me a work and me want money. So she say me to jump on that and Miss Jen. Right on that Miss Jen, that's when I reach your maid waking up go tie bag. I mean never searching. Aliyah, the one who work with me, the thick one in him, Aliyah.
Same brown
Yes,
girl,
and she give me that and tell me to carry down the
well, your words against hers because here, I'm going to carry down my foot. Let's go confiscate this and let's go carry you and the goods everybody go down my station.
Me
So
not
it
have a
would have
problem.
worked out easier if you come humbly. Because anything you say cannot be used against you in the court of law. So let's go. I not understand this. Of course, it has to go to court. And you try to make sure you're not lying to me because I can't help you if you're lying to me. Alright, I'm not going to create no excitement for you. You just go humbly, walk in front of me, and meet me.
You see you, and you me a look for far away. You see you girl, you see you make me friend go to jail, you know.
So you come fight up in my face, sir. What happened?
You,
What happened?
what church? Are you?
So yeah, let me go.
Now you know me friend go to jail, you know. Now you know me friend go to jail, you know. Y'all boss me chain, you know.
Calm down, man. So we all I fight for me. So we fight for what?
This a girl here.
Eh,
Make police cut me friend.
who are your friend? Who that?
You know a black short girl named Kiki?
Yeah, we sell
The
clothes.
same girl there. He
Eh,
put something in a girl clothes and the police can find her.
I'm just done here, son.
This dirty girl. Create me friend, my police lock him up. Put something in my friend clothes. You, me must hold you again.
Which friend that?
The short girl, you know a short girl we sell clothes when you're Kiki?
Oh, yeah, man.
The same girl. Me must walk you again.
Alright, I'm
Me must.
just done.
Yeah,
Look at me. I'm just done, man. Come on. Done, come on.
Me must hold you again, yeah?
Right.
Kiki, what happened, girl? Me not hear full story of what go on, you know. But me come fit hear what go on. And how come I reach you here. And big fight pop with Tiana and Aliyah.
You know, so I tell Tiana to left fish in here, you know. I tell her to left because Karma left her to Karma. I don't know what happened. I don't know why girl bad mind me from. I don't know if I get through with the farm work or should I get through with the... Or I don't know if our ex-man when I talk to. But the girl, I don't know what happened. The girl give me one bag and something for left it down and lay it down there. Down the road.
Alright, Tiffany, I go down and chat about Kiki and Aaron. I write this one later. Girl, me hear go on with Kiki a long time you forget that.
Then other day when me and Taylor they fight, remember you had to say that one.
I never know what go on, me just see big fight pop and me just party to on because I
So, what exactly happened?
Boy, she claimed she said me set her up and thing about. I don't know. What happened?
Girl. Them one. Because Kiki is Kiki. I don't know why, but every time we go outside for some things.
What happened?
There. Like when she was still on the institute, she was going like to the back of here. Like, and then she go, girl, you know, say I have money if you give me, look how long you owe me this, that, blah, blah, blah.
And me tell the girl say, give me money. And me put it in a pan we are saving. And that me tell her, but some money and me say, I know say she a tease them because I spend my hard work in 40,000 and make up and buy them the clothes. I mean, I make no girl tease
and
money.
he might talk about us and he might want to buy clothes and you know do nothing.
Me I do nothing.
Borrow to help him.
Girl, and me I'll bring up the idea to Kiki and buy the clothes. Here and my phone, me and the clothes and you can't see them right now. Only thing Kiki use our email because our email me the one is sending it because me don't want nobody come on me yard. You understand? That's why. Anyway, 2 weeks at embassy go look one farmer because one of our little friend they set you up on one farmer. So the 2 weeks go right? Me know what he say. As we come home, Kiki get text. We bring in passport picture all type of them something there. I mean I get text, so you know me do the same day me
So you not get no text and she get text?
That me want to know.
So you sign up something must have gone.
Of course me sign up for you. And she get the text and me no get no. So you know what me do? Me come out and me order 1 pound of cookie. And I put it in the bag and send her them down to tell her to go get somebody and put it in the bag.
That thing forget.
Yeah, me know that thing forget. Because no girl no more me know, me notice say money and me so type and I know say she a thief. And I tell me about how she don't know how we missing. So, me have my clothes and this I don't believe me got embassy or that. And like when she in prison now, it go be a bad reference pan or docket or whatever, so them gonna call me. Anytime soon, hit me them with one. I make us look at the taxi then just
I look taxi for guys something.
yeah, that nigga told me I go. Alright, go on.
But I right to understand.
Yeah man. You have to set up like a girl there. Like if I get too much in her life I'm more off I should go there with my ex. You know what me and her friend. Even if me say
Go do with your ex.
even if me say there with him. If you know when you say me and your friend and your friend is there with a man, they don't look there because there's a most reason why me and the man left. She still got there with the man. I will miss she there with the man, down there with the man. For me say yes, that's supposed to be no because I am a friend.
Because a friend.
Exactly.
You
But
deserve when
there
get man. You deserve which part in there. Worry yourself, so.
Yeah man.
You don't do which part in there.
So that's why I do all of it. Never to go to a girl. I never stand.
Anyways,
Alright. Thanks girl, thanks. Finally reach back home.
I did that like my name is President.
No, remember tell me say bad thing. But thanks. And the police woman there, the lad, say you make sure you switch with no so they can let me know. But me know they have to go find Aliyah and tell them Aliyah now. Aliyah time to
we should ask him which part in there and go see him because you're the recording.
yeah, make it still. So, where you depend? Girl, like how we just come out, girl, may I go have a drink here?
Aye.
Yeah, may I go pick up something and I come back and take a drink.
Now may I go?
Well, I don't remember set me up home,
May I have a change first?
Yeah, come on.
You reach to the end of the show. Hope you like it. You know what I mean? So there's just a lot of things to talk about, but we not reach so yet. You know what I mean? So when you catch a bridge, we go across it. So stay tuned, man. What if thing I go on, what if thing go on? We work on the some little thing. I go give you a little run through. You know what I mean? You can see what we're there so far. We are building a new little room for shooting now. You know what I mean? Because we want to have one more space, that means we have to tell a story easier to tell. You know what I mean? Plus we have build one, something like our Western Union, MoneyGram, bill collecting place, same way. So I will put a look at work go on. But let's give you a preview and you can see what I go on. It's not a joke thing. You know what I mean? Let's go. Watch this out.
This is a bunk bed when build. Guys. I'm gonna show you. In one room.